Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Web Services, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Amazon Web Services website. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign in to the console button. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account, select Create a new AWS account. Fill in the required fields with your email address, a password, and your AWS account name. Click on the Continue button once you have completed the form. You will receive an email to verify your email address. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, you will be directed back to the AWS registration page. Next, provide your contact information, including your name, company, and phone number. Select your account type, either personal or professional, based on your needs. Once all fields are filled, click on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to enter your payment information. Enter your credit card details and billing address, then click on Continue. AWS uses this information for verification and billing purposes. After entering your payment information, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the identity verification process. Once verification is done, you will be directed to the AWS support plan selection page. Choose the support plan that best fits your requirements, from basic to developer or business plans. After making your selection, click on Continue. Review your account information and settings carefully. If everything looks correct, click on Create Account and Continue. Wait a few moments while your account is being set up. Once your account is ready, you will be automatically logged into the AWS Management Console. Explore the console to familiarize yourself with the different services available. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Amazon Web Services account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.